How to hide mutual friends on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide mutual friends on Facebook. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in your menu section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen to access your settings. And now, once you are in your settings section, simply scroll down to the audience and visibility section, and under that section, simply tap on option table how people find and contact you. And here in this section, you can see the option label who can see your friends list. So simply tap on that. And now here you will see different privacy option. From there you need to simply tap on only me. And after selecting that, simply tap on save button shown in the bottom center of the screen. And after tapping on that, you have successfully hidden your mutual friends on Facebook. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.